Alright guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a grocery haul with you guys real quick. We did a grocery pickup last night and we picked it up early this morning at 7 o'clock. And so I'll share with you a quick meal plan and the groceries. We had to go to two separate places because I did the grocery pickup at Kroger, and that was $156.19. They didn't have a bunch of things, so we had to go to Walmart and get some other things. And of course, the Walmart trip means you always get more things that you need. So I have my meal plan here, and we'll go over all of the different options for that. But I'll start right here. You've got 2 Texas toast, actually 3 Texas toast, 5 cheese, and then 1 garlic. We'll do lasagna roll-ups and the Texas toast with that and the salad. These are vegetable egg rolls. We'll do a fried rice and egg rolls. And here we have, these are so good, the Boca crumbles. These are really nice. We'll use these for taco soup. So I got 2 of those here. Now, if you're turning into a vegan or trying to be a vegetarian, this will save you if you love bacon. These are actually phenomenal. So highly recommend these bacon strips. We did one of those. And then another really good one, if you're going veggie or vegetarian, Boca veggie burgers, and then the Boca chicken patties. They're so yummy. So we use those for sandwiches, or like if we do hamburgers and french fries, we would use these. And I already have a few in the refrigerator, so I only needed just the 1 for now. So I'll have about 4 to 6 of these already in the freezer. Then have a head of lettuce. I always need lettuce for salads. For lunch one of these days, we'll do tuna veggie wraps, so we have some nice yummy leaf lettuce for that. And then cilantro. Cilantro is great in the taco soup. And then a couple of sweet potatoes, just cut them up, fry them for some yummy potato chips for that. Then potatoes. So another meal I'll do this week will be the Portabella pot roast. It's like a pot roast, and I'll use those for some potatoes inside the roast. And it's all vegetarian, so it'll be portobello mushrooms that you use in replacing of the pot roast. And then you'll have the chopped up potatoes in there. And then you'll also have the mashed potatoes that you can pour it over. So it's super yummy. So get those out of the way there. Okay, so then here just got a couple of cucumbers, bell peppers, strawberries. Don't get too many of those because, you know, you're going into the fall and the winter. So these are just kind of like little add-ons. We have got some frozen strawberries already in the freezer, big bag of those, so we don't need that. And then we've got baby carrots that'll go into the roast. Onion. Never can have too many onion. And then the large 60 count for eggs underneath there. And then here we have the baby Bella, so we'll cut these up for the pot roast. That will be yummy. And then we also have the corn. So 4 bags of sweet corn instead of the big bag. It's just, it works out to be a better deal because I use a coupon and I usually get basically 2 for free. Then I have the cauliflower, meal ready broccoli and cauliflower for a casserole. More broccoli. More broccoli. So The other thing I'll use the corn for is this. We're going to try this KFC bowl, like a KFC inspired bowl. So we'll do it with some oyster mushrooms, and we'll use the potatoes and corn with some really good gravy over top of it to do like a really filling bowl. So that's another meal that we'll do. I've got some asparagus that we'll have for lunch. I'm going to try to do some meal planning for lunch items this week for my husband and I. See if we can try our diet. Stay on task with it. I got 2 loaves of bread. This is just my written out meal plan. Okay, so 2 loaves of wheat bread. Just the Kroger brand this time. Underneath here, we've got a bag of mixed fruits. Apples, oranges. That'll last a day. With all the Mahoney girls. They're going to tear that up. And then we've got some bananas. Okay, so moving on. These were on sale. These were 10 for $1. They were the 10 for 10 deal for Kroger. So those are always great. So I did a couple of those. And then just the crescent. And then the cinnamon rolls. I'm going to try those in the crock pot for a yummy cinnamon roll dump. So that's going to be great. Then, okay, so now we've got all of our seasonings. So taco seasoning, like I said, we're going to do taco soup. We always do something taco-centric once a week on Tuesdays. So lots of taco seasoning for that. Then just some white rice for the fried rice that we'll have. Some more seasonings, fried rice seasoning. I always doctor it up even more, but this is a good base to start with. So I always add in extra seasonings. And then I'm also going to do chicken. It's not going to be chicken, but it's going to be vegetarian chili. So vegetarian white chili. So that's going to be really yummy. And so for that, you'll see I have jalapenos, some Quaker grits for easy morning breakfast, cinnamon bars, apple cinnamon bars for the girls, just a small one. They'll use those for snack. Everything here is just over a 2-week meal plan. So then you've got the black beans. I've got 2 cans of the black beans for the taco soup. And then also use the dark red kidney beans. And those were on sale. So that was a really good deal for those. I had another one over here. And then for the white chili, it'll be the Great Northern beans. I love those with that. And these were on sale, so I ended up getting 4 of the northern beans for the soup. Gravy, just some gravy for the pot roast. We'll do that. Here's some couple of heads of broccoli just to beef up the frozen broccoli when I do the casserole. So you can have, bigger florets in there. These were also on sale for the cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. Oh, looks like they gave me the wrong kind though. This should be Campbell's because those were on sale for like 80 cents, I think it was. And they were supposed to both be the Campbell's version. Just small ones because I usually get the big family size ones when I'm doing more meals that have that in it, but I only need it for one thing this week. So, all right. So another thing that I have for snacks are just applesauce. The girls love these. They do snack at school, so they need to go there. So I've got plenty of things for them for that. This is a lasagna. These are on sale, 10 for 10 lasagna macaroni product for the lasagna roll-up. So we have those. Okay, so now moving on to the snack portion. So we're trying to cut back on snacks, but the girls are growing, so they always want something. So we have a few different snacks. I'm going to try to do some put together snacks as well this week to kind of prolong them. But for store-bought snacks, I did, and for lunches, just some cheese puffs. They love those. Everybody loves cheese puffs. You've got some cheddar and sour cream chips, buffalo or barbecue chips. We're trying this out. I've never tried this. This is from Walmart brand for the movie butter popcorn. Their popcorn there is really good, so I'm hoping that this will also translate into a really good popcorn choice. Kroger's was out of a ton of things when I did the grocery pickup, so we had to stop in there. We love their white cheddar popcorn, but we're gonna try this out from Great Value. Then I have these are on sale 10 for 10 for dips, nachos, you know, if you want to do something like that for lunch, anything like that. This was on sale 10 for 10 vegetable broth. I've got about 5 in the cabinet, so I don't need much, but I wanted to have an extra one just for one of the crock pot meals. Next, I have these. The kids love these. The stack sour cream and onion. These were on 10 for 10. Keeping on with the snacks, you've got pretzel rods, pretzel twists. So these are all great things to take, healthier things to take for snack for school. Then we have the Go-Gurt for lunches and snacks. Those were on sale with the coupon. Those were about $3 and some change with the coupon. We've got our tissue that was on sale. But they actually didn't have it. It was on sale at Kroger, but they didn't have it. It was like $1.50 off, but we ended up having to get it from Walmart. And then just some paper towel, just the Psst brand this time. Sometimes I get Bounty, but that one was the one that was cheapest this time. Bounty or Sparkle, but they had a coupon for that one, so I used that. Then I have, continuing on for snacks and for school and at home, we've got some graham crackers, Goldfish, and a variety of kinds. I love those. Those are always a hit. These are always great. Sometimes I have a hard time finding these at Kroger, so we ended up getting something from Great Value. These are about $1.10 maybe for the cheese, and they come in the pretzel kind too. You can get them from the dollar store, but these are like, they love these. So those are always a hit for snack. I've got some Jell-O. I'll make some Jell-O with fruit this week. So we got a few of those. They were on sale. They were just 36 cents, I think. So I don't know if that was a sale, but those were 36 cents a piece, which is a nice deal from Walmart. Then, let's see. These were on sale 3 for 10. We just got 2. I had some already in the refrigerator, so I got a couple of those. Oh, underneath here. Luckily, it's fresh bread. The French bread. Did those. French bread to go with dinner. You can see the girls have already gotten into the milk and the cereal. Goodness. We got a giant size for that for Oops All Berries, and then Kool-Aid Jammers for lunches, and a couple of gallons of milk. This was on sale for 80 cents at Walmart. That's a pretty good deal, I feel like. I just needed one for one of my recipes. And then I also have cottage cheese. These were on sale 10 for 10. So I only needed a small pack. I'm going to use those for the lasagna roll-ups, as well as the ricotta cheese. This was about $1.29 for the ricotta cheese. So those were good deals. We have some Simply Orange. My husband typically will drink this. This is he loves this brand and this type. Lord knows, this is a necessity. French vanilla coffee creamer. This was on sale, and I had a coupon for it, so that was a good deal. Can't remember exactly how much it was. These were $1.50 a piece at Walmart, so we got that. Just 2 of those. And then I usually get the big container of Tide. We've been using Tide lately. We've tried some off-brand stuff. We've tried a bunch of different detergents, but this one seems to be the one that we always like to go back to. It works well. It also had a coupon for $2 off, so it ended up being about $7 and some change. And I had already bought another one that I had another coupon for because they didn't have a larger size. So they're basically 2 for the same price, actually a little bit cheaper. For both of them, I got around $14, and usually we pay about $17 plus for the big one. So those hopefully will last the time frame that we need them for. Okay, so moving on, we did end up getting some Glade from Walmart. Some of these warmers and some of the, oops, I'll get that. Some Glade warmers, just some plugins. Love clean linen smell. So that's the kind we got. Of course, end up getting this. It made it easier. It was at Walmart, so we ran out of this. So it's just edge control for the girls. We've got some soap pads. Those were $1. That was a good deal. Because Isla likes to draw on everything in sight now. She's at the age where she literally she's writing all over her face, her arms, walls. So I have a couple of these to kind of get some of those off the walls. These always work the best, even better than the dollar store brand. I just find that these work better. Box of Huggies, some toothbrushes. What else? Oh, almond milk for Miss Isla. This is the vanilla, so we use it for smoothies as well. She drinks soy or almond milk. And then the girls like these for their lunches. It's about $2, which is a really good deal from Walmart for that. Let's see, you got some cereal, the Tide. I think that is all. So all in all, about a little over so just grocery wise, minus the extra things like the Glade plugins and things of that sort, you're looking at around about $200, $210 for all the groceries, which is really good. And that includes the diapers too. So that's usually what I plan for, about $150 to $200 for household items and groceries for bi-weekly. So this is pretty decent. And I'm going to also, along with this video, I'm going to post just my meal plan along with the snacks and the dinners, lunches, just to kind of give you an idea of all the different types of things that we'll be making with the groceries. But if you guys are interested in seeing more things like this, just comment down below and let me know. If you haven't had a chance to like or subscribe to our channel, please do so. We'd love to have you. And until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.